In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Instagram feed when it's not showing you new posts. So first, hop into the Instagram app and then first try to make sure you're checking the app chronologically. So you can do that by tapping, then holding the logo on the top left, and then click following. Normally, Instagram will show you posts not in chronological order, but by whatever it thinks you want to see the most. But here you can see that this one was posted a few minutes ago, so you can see that this is the latest post here, and as you scroll down, you see the older posts. If this doesn't help, then you can check if it's an issue with your internet connection or with the Instagram servers, so let's just hop into a browser then run a quick speed test. You're just looking to see if you have a stable connection so that you can load any new and available posts. Now that you're sure that's not the issue here, you can search "is Instagram down" and go into down detector here and basically see if there's a big spike in reported outages. So if it couldn't refresh that feed, most likely it's because of this, and you'll just have to wait usually a few hours, and Instagram will get things back up and running and all of those new posts will start to appear. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.